It is rainy and gloomy out. The last thing I want to do is prep for success, but that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to do it. I'm going to commit 1 hour to my future self. She'll thank me tomorrow when I wake up and I have fiber ready for the week. Tell me this weather would not make you want to crawl back. I'm wearing pajamas at 1 p.m. Yes, ma'am. Yes, I am. Look at this weather. I'm gonna be testing this protein powder. I opened her up. She smells gorgeous. By the way, we're gonna be making chia seed protein pudding for breakfast this week. High fiber, high protein. And I picked this up from the grocery store last night, a sample, because the full size bag is $50 and I wanna be certain I love her before I invest. So this is the lemon cookie. I'm gonna make 1 jar for tomorrow. And if I love her, I'm gonna overnight her on Amazon. So let's give her a go. Let's give her a whirl. I'm gonna show you exactly how we make the chia seed pudding, and she's gonna be delicious. Do not be fooled. If you are eating plant-based, you can get loads of protein so easily. People like to propaganda, okay? We're gonna be using a Good Karma flax milk. This has 5 grams of protein in it. And then we're gonna be using this lemon cookie protein powder, 20 grams of protein. And we're gonna be doing a serving of chia seeds. Chia seeds has 5 grams of protein. So guess what, y'all? 30 grams of protein. 30 grams of protein, plant-based breakfast. Love it, love that. I love that. For the sake of measuring, for the sake of a recipe, I'm gonna measure. We're not tracking here, I'm just measuring so y'all can make this with me. Okay, ready? I want my chia seed pudding thick, okay? I don't want runny. We don't do runny over here. Okay, taste test. Let's see if we like this protein shake, because if we do, Amazon needs to be here. Not bad. I have to remember, this is plant-based protein and we're not doing artificials. This is a clean, light lemon flavor. I like it. I like it. I can hang. Okay. We're gonna pour our protein shake in, nice and thick, and then 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. So 1 tablespoon, 2, okay, make sure if you get psyllium husks, you get finely milled. You want it in a fine powder. Otherwise, it's lumpy, chunky, and it's gonna make you gag. I promise you, first world experience. First-hand experience. 22 grams of fiber, 30 grams of protein, plant-based, fiber-rich breakfast. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Oh, that makes me so happy. And this is so inexpensive to make daily. And we get the omega-3 fatty acids from the chia seeds. 8 grams of dietary, yes ma'am. 22 grams of fiber, 30 grams of plant-based protein. You're gonna be full for 4 hours? Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Okay, that's it. Bye. That was so good. That makes me so happy.